If your electricity bill keeps going up, your smart home might actually be the problem. Most people think smart homes save money, but in reality, most setups are doing the exact opposite. And the worst part, it's not the devices, it's the settings. So in this video, I'm going to show you the most common smart home mistakes that are quietly increasing your bill and how to fix them in minutes. Let's start with one of the biggest problems, devices that never turn off. Plugs, TVs, gaming consoles, even coffee makers. They're constantly pulling power even when you're not using them. It's called phantom power, and across your entire home, it adds up fast. The fix is simple. Set your smart plugs to automatically shut off overnight or when you leave the house. Next, smart lights. Most people use them like normal lights, just with an app. But if your lights are staying on at full brightness all night, you're wasting energy. Instead, use schedules and motion sensors. Lights should turn off automatically and dim at night when you don't need full brightness. Now this one is huge, your thermostat. If your smart thermostat is set to the same temperature all day, you're completely missing the point. Your house does not need to be perfectly comfortable when you're asleep or not even home. For example, if your AC runs all day while you're at work, that could easily be an extra $20 to $50 a month for no reason, and most people never even realize it. Use schedules or away mode to adjust temperatures automatically. This alone can cut your energy bill more than anything else. Here's the truth. If you're not using automations, you don't really have a smart home. Manually controlling devices from your phone doesn't save money. Automation does.
You right.
Things like turning everything off when you leave, shutting down devices overnight, and adjusting temperature based on time. That's where the real savings happen. And finally, most people have no idea where their energy is actually going. That's why devices like smart plugs with energy monitoring or full home energy monitors can be game changers. They show you exactly what's using power, so you can actually fix it. Smart homes don't automatically save you money, but when set up correctly, they absolutely can. If you want to see the exact smart home automations that actually save money, check out the next video.